Good morning everybody, today is Saturday the 8th of August and this is my allotment blog for today. So yeah, today we are going to be continuing with my allotment transformation at the top of my plot. We've got lots of work to be getting on with up there. Hopefully I'll be, fingers crossed, getting the rest of my path finished to the end of the top where I was starting, and hopefully and tomorrow we'll be starting to clear some other area. So at the moment I'm just watering as it's nice and early, the sun's not too hot, so it's a case of getting everything watered nice and early rather than watering at night, because the slugs come out at night, so it's not a good time to water at night. The best time is in the morning. That's what I've been told, so that's what I do, and it seems to work. So yeah, and it gives them a chance to drink up the water during the day as well. So that's a little tip for you if you're watering. So yeah, it'll take me about 40 minutes to water all my plot because there's absolutely loads to water. It just takes its time. So yeah, let's see what we're getting on with today. So that's all the watering done on the plot. Took me plenty of time. So let's see what we're doing today and cracking on with on the plot. Yesterday I dug to that area and I discovered all this edging stone down the side, and these bricks what must have been like a circular around the tree. So as I'm digging, I'm finding what was originally down on the plot, as this has never been used, this area, in the 15 years that I've had it. So today hopefully we will get down to the post. That's my task for today, unless we discover anything else while I'm digging. That puts me in time, that makes it take longer than it should do. So yeah, let's see how we get on today, down on the plot. Well, I've found the end of the path, so I've near enough cleared it all. So the job now is to get the bricks edging it and the path laid. So yeah, that is now the job for today. So let's get cracking and see if I can get that done on this beautiful Saturday morning. So my new pathway is starting to come off, looking good. Hopefully I can get to the halfway mark before dinner and then continue down to the end. I want to get to the end by the end of the day. Hopefully we've got enough bricks to lay the edging down, but I keep finding them as I'm digging. So yeah, the plan is to get to the end by today. So let's crack on. So that's where we're leaving it at today, just halfway, and then I'm going to continue with the other half tomorrow, as I've had enough now. Digging is hard work, so yeah. We've been edging it with bricks and hopefully I'll have enough to get down to the bottom. So yeah, it's going to look pretty good once it's done, and then I can start clearing the back bit for where I'm going to have my compost bins. That's the next project after the paths. So yeah, stay tuned and come back tomorrow and see how we get on. So thanks for watching today's blog down at the allotment. I hope you've enjoyed it. You get to see what I'm doing down at the plot and sharing what I'm doing on this allotment transformation. It feels like being at the beginning of when I first took on the plot again, starting from scratch and planning it all out and working out how to do it. So yeah, it's quite exciting. I'm actually loving it, as I'm finding certain stuff when I'm digging, and just seeing what's under the soil, it's unbelievable. So yeah, it's hard work, but I do love a good project. So yeah, stay tuned and come back tomorrow and see how we get on down here on the allotment. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep gardening.